Hi, Christine. Happy birthday. And good morning. I mean, good evening. I know, unyang gabi panini mo makitaan. Um, ako kabalon sa sir. They asked me to describe you. So, describe di ka. Pero ay sa kanay ha. Kini si Christine. Gwapa ni siya. Gwapa kaayo. O, mas gwapa jud ko. Maski birthday ni mo, di ka pagbigyan. Bitaw jo. Yeah, gwapa ni si Christine. And very hilumon. Hilumon ka na siya. Maski at first or later on, maski bugin mo kaila, hilumon dyan na siya. Hilumon dyan na siya. But this, pero kabalo ba mo nga sa iyang kahilumon? Grabe po na, kung isa ka grabe iyang kahilumon, grabe po na iyang kamaldita. Dili tinoon. Tinoon. Diba? Sakto ko. But despite her kamalditahan, Christine, deep inside, is very soft-hearted. Soft-hearted. She is very caring, especially sa mga special someone niya, special people sa iyang life. That includes me. Feeler kay ko. And she is very sweet. Dagan ako ganahan i-describe kay Christine, but I can't find the exact adjective na i-describe sa iya. I don't know what the right term na maka-describe sa iya. Without tin, I know that all of us kita jud tagsa-tagsa na jud tay trials nga ginaagian. And ako lang message sa imo nga, maski unsa siya kadako, unsa siya kabugat, please don't you ever think of giving up. Because kaya jud na siya. Kaya. God gives us troubles, gives us problems na enough ra jud para ma-handle nato. Enough ra jud para ma-handle nato. Iya ra jud ang gitas. So I hope you will remain strong. And I know Tin that you are very an ambitious girl. And you have a lot of dreams and aspirations. Matud pa sa giingon ni Troy. Sa gibuhat nga quote ni Troy. Na if excellence is what you aspire, you will achieve it if it is your heart's desire. But other than that, other than having it as a desire, I want to read to you this verse in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 6. It says that in everything you do, put God first and He will direct you and crown your effort with success. This is a promise that God gave us. If siya lang jud ang una, if we will just seek Him first and His righteousness, tanan niya, everything is rest assured. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope na kayo na-learn something sa ako. And Tin, I prepared a bulabog na presentation for you. Pasensya kay bulabog kay gabi. Giambush jud ako akong mga salmista mga friends ani. I hope you will like it. Pabaga kay siya na mo. I hope you will like it. And I hope this will make you smile or even cry. Required ang cry ha. Mas ganahan ko if cry. Ito. I hope malingaw mo. 1YS. Hello. I miss you and ready na kayo kung masuya sa inyong pictures. How I wish na ako diya. So, I guess until here, enjoy mo.